was a wonderful life. I can't think of anything that an aeronautical engineer would get more out of than what we were asked to do in the space program in the 60s. Project Mercury and putting the first man in space. Gemini was a great program because we learned how to operate in space, how to rendezvous, how to do EVA, how to use computers, how to use manned maneuvering units, and then of course flying to the moon was unbelievable. When you look back on that now and see how long it's been since we've flown to the moon, you realize how not only how difficult it was, but how unique it was, how marvelous it was. And frankly, it's hard for me to believe sometimes that we did it.
Stellar accomplishment, of course, was the landing on the moon. And that's because, 500 years from now, that's what's going to be remembered from the 20th century. But there's also, at least two other major accomplishments that I'm sure the public both comprehends and appreciates and strikes their fancy. And one of those is, of course, the Hubble Space Telescope, which still has one more mission to refurbish. But that's captured the public's imagination like nothing else since the first landing on the moon. And then the two little rovers running around on Mars. People that had no interest at all in Mars, I'm sure, have followed the trials and tribulations and the fact that those two little unmanned vehicles have lasted for, 3 years when they thought they might last 6 months if they were lucky. So those are three that I think the public can certainly acknowledge.